There's many different ways to implement INA. You've got MFA, which is multi-factor authentication. Some people call it a two-factor authentication, or 2FA if you've ever seen that. You see Duo, you see HID, you see RSA. These are all different products that are used to implement things like multi-factor authentication. You also, of course, have username and password, but there's just many different ways to authenticate. And it's usually something you have, something you know, or something you are. So something you are would be like your eyes. Like if you ever use a retina scanner, it's using your eye, the unique pattern in your eye to authenticate you. Or your fingerprints. That's another one. That's something you are, because only you have that unique fingerprint. Another one would be, I've heard a weird one, like the length of the bones in your hands. Facial recognition is something you use probably on your phone all day long, 20 times a day, right? If you have that implemented on your phone. But that's something that you are. Another one would be something that you have. That'd be like your CAT card. It can also be your phone. It could be RSA key. It could be like a little key fob that you plug into your computer, and only you have that access to that key fob. And then of course there's something that you know. That's your PIN number. That's your password. So it's something you are, something you have, or something you know. That's normally what authentication is.